Oh what? You say, oh. I think you too loyal. You say, I think you too loyal.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Princess Monet, and today I'm back with another video. So for today's video, I'm really cleaning. Like, my room has been clean, whatever, but ever since I've been doing my resin and my trays, my room has been so messy. And when I did do like a deep clean in my room, I never did my closet. So today, me and my aunt Melissa, we really went in on my closet. So it looks totally different. I'm going to insert clips on me cleaning everything out, me organizing. And right now we're about to go to Target and look for something, maybe like some drawers, some bins, so I can organize my trays, my resin, my freaking cups, my mixers, my paints, my glitters, everything that I use. I need some organization because it's looking really crazy. I'm about to go to Target now, but after this clip is going to be, you know, me cleaning my room, and then I'm going to jump just right into me being at Target. So see you guys in a few. Because, you know, ever since I've been using the resin and making ashtrays and rolling trays, I just have not been focusing on my room because it takes so much time. But anyways, I have this AC for now because if I start doing the trays in my room, I'm not going to be able to have it in the window because then I won't be able to open the window and I need air. So I have this. This is new, portable. This is all messy. This is all super messy. Oh yeah, my shoes. I got Titi right next to me. But we look crazy right now. We have some cleaning products. Are we going to take off the shoes?
I thought you wanted to.
I don't know. Okay, so real quick, this is what I want to do. There's no... The lighting is kind of trash right now. Wait. So I already have this shelf with shoes, which I've always shown in my videos. But I wanted 3 shelves on that side with sneakers, or just swap it out. Sneakers on this side and shoes on this side. But since IKEA is closed, I'm thinking of removing all of this and putting my sneakers for now, because our project that we're doing today is this mess. So this is the before. I can't wait to do it after. We just emptied out this drawer, which it was Titi's idea. And it's messy because I had a bunch of Uggs and stuff like that. So obviously the dirt from the bottom of the shoe. And I didn't clean it. Ew, my toes. I didn't clean it. So we have this drawer. I threw out a lot of Uggs because I had them since like high school. So it's time to get new Uggs. The rest that are here are Uggs that are still in really good condition. And I have my Timbs and stuff. This drawer in the middle that I just pulled out, that's really dirty. We're gonna clean it, and I'm gonna fill it up with jeans. That also was Titi's idea because this is totally packed. So these are filled with sneakers right now, and I also have all of these sneakers. That's the thing. So I have way too much. And then since my closet is so messy, it's hard for me to pull out a pair of sneakers and then everything just gets torn apart. And I can't get the sneakers that are back there because it's just not enough space. So we'll see.
Bye.
Okay, so I have this one so far,
Oh.
and then they have this one.
I was looking for like wood. They don't have shit here. So.
Yeah, like if I use this, it has to be super neat, so I'm not getting like annoyed by looking at it. I feel like checking Walmart because honestly, this is kind of hideous, and I really don't want it to be see-through because then everyone's gonna see my stuff. I feel like that's too messy. This is so annoying, and some motherfucker took my cart.
This is like what I was kind of thinking of, but they don't have white anyway. They just have these colors here.
Huh? You don't need this? So I'm gonna buy these two bins right here. They're, I think, $5 each, but I have to put my hats. I definitely am gonna need them for my hats, winter hats, and then all my caps and stuff like that.
You
So
think that one is way too big, right?
yeah, too tall.
Yeah, you're right. This is smaller.
Okay. And then I also picked this out, I think for $5, $4.99. Yep. And then my mom got this for the living room.
This is too oh, look at the pink.
And Titi bought this for her room. Let's see, what else do I need? What else?
Why didn't you put it in the front seat?
Because Mel's sitting in the front. But then I could have sat in the back with Kiara. I mean with you. It's alright, let it go on. Wait,
Look at this circle. Look, no, we're not gonna hit it. I'll drive on the right. Let me take this mask off. I can't even breathe. Alright, we out. We only spent like 2 hours in there.
Yeah, 2 hours.
Big ass plan. We're starving, but we came home to some really good ass food. Oh, and fish.
Hell yeah, it's delicious. I already tasted one.
Did you really? Damn, you didn't waste no time. And no rice or nothing, right?
No, just potatoes.
Alright, that's good for us. Potatoes? I love potatoes.
Hey, Kiara.
Oh, the lighting's not doing it justice. It looks really yellow. It looks orange and flavorful in person. I'm gonna have to talk with my camera. What are those? No. That was perfection. Okay, so real quickly, this is the before on this section. As you can see, hot ass mess. By the way, I'm shipping this out in the morning. But yeah, I have all this stuff. This stuff is like full of all the resin products that I use. I have the paper for the printer and the laminator. Okay, so stay tuned for the after. 2:52 in the morning, we just finished, me and Titi. Okay, so time to reveal the room. I'm not gonna show every single thing, but I'm gonna just show you a little taste. And then in the next video, if you guys like this video, in the next video I'll really like show you inside of my closet, inside of my drawers that I bought. But for now, I'm just gonna show you what my room looks like. We did everything, we finished everything, every single part of my room, every drawer, everything. This right here is some trash. Some more freaking trash. And these two huge bags are to give away. So this is for my grandma to give away or to sell, whatever she wants to do. And now for the reveal. Ready, Titi? Even though you already know what this looks like, but oh my god, I'm so happy. This right here is a portable AC. It's not gonna be here obviously for the whole year, just the summer. I never had it. I usually have the one in the window, but since I've been working on my products, I can't have it there because I need to open the window. With the AC there, it doesn't allow me to do that. But yes, this is my bed. I'm gonna have my room black and white now, so these two pink pillows are gonna be black. I just have to find cute ones. So if you guys know any place where I could buy cute pillows, let me know. I have this over here, my little godson. I have this, my new hookah mat, cute. This area, this is disgusting. I'm gonna do something about that. The trays I've been working on, this you guys already know, I've showed that many times. And then I have my black couch, which I don't know if I'm gonna sell or not. I'm not sure yet. I have mad blankets that I have no idea where to put them. But this is what Titi built for me today because she loves to do that work. Not me. No, I don't mind doing it, but she don't want help. And then I have my, what's it called? What is it called, Titi? My printer. I have my printer here, and I have this, but we're actually, well, I'm actually gonna spray paint it black tomorrow. I'm thinking black or white. I'm not really sure yet. Actually, comment down below if I should paint this white or black. But isn't this so freaking cute? I have this area here. Everything is super clean, 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 clean. And this was the first one that I ever made. So cute. So I'm just keeping it for myself since no one wants it. Don't know why. And that's pretty much my room. This waist trainer is really doing it. Alright, anyway, so hopefully you guys liked this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below any video suggestions and turn your post notifications on so you're notified every time I post a video. And I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.